Now with traditional teaching, you've got this whole setup. People sit in rows and one person stands in front, probably with a whiteboard, and they sit there and they tell you things. And that model is from long ago, and it was designed with a whole different teaching in mind. Despite all that, there are different people who will actually set up whiteboards and do the traditional method of teaching when we really don't need it anymore. In fact, we're much better off kind of combining the world as it is, because it offers so much to us in terms of what we're able to use. You don't have to sit in front of a whiteboard and write some words and write some images. You've got the world at your disposal, and so no longer are we limited by this idea of teaching. And that's why I think a lot more people should basically embrace vlogging as a way of expounding upon ideas and not have this idea that you're teaching anything. You're exploring the world as we all are, and in the process, you're sharing ideas, and those ideas can help so many other people. Gone are the ideas that you're a guru, or that your teacher is more of a guide. We are all here to learn from each other, to bring each other home to who we are and what we're capable of. And the more we embrace the full spectrum of what we have at our disposal in terms of the whole world. I mean, you've got this huge mountain, you've got this huge lake, you've got all these places that you can go. Why on earth would you decide to basically stay inside, sit in front of a whiteboard, and teach in the old ways?